So let's see the next component. We have here bolt. We will be using the same procedure what we have used for nut. So click on new part, OK, and we have a new file here. Select a plane, click on sketch, create a hexagon. Let's give dimension from this point to this point, and we want it to be 10 mm. Let's click on constraint, click on this point, select this axis and right click, make it coincident. Now we have this point and this point in line with this axis. Let's come out of the sketch, click on pad, and we want it to be 4 mm in thickness. So let's edit and make 4 mm. Okay. Now we have to create this profile. So let's select a plane. Here we will select ZX plane. Click on sketch. Let's give dimension to this angle. We want it to be 45 mm. And we want these 2 points to be coincident. So click on this point, click on this point, right click, make it coincidence. Okay. Let's come out of the workbench. Click on groove, select the sketch, and now select the axis. We can select this axis here, preview, click OK, and we have created the profile. Okay. So let's click on sketch now, select this plane, and we want to create this part now. So it is 5 mm in diameter and having a length of 9 mm. So let's click on circle, give a dimension of 5 mm. Let's come out of the workbench, click on pad, and we want it to be 9 mm. Click OK. So we have created this bolt here. Okay, let's save it, BOLT, click OK. So we have completed all the parts of wheel support assembly, and now let's create the assembly. Okay,